Remember, if you stay consistent for 30 days, you'll feel the difference, guaranteed. The 30th of July 2025 Current Affairs with Static GK. 1. When was World Nature Conservation Day celebrated recently? A. The 26th of July. B. The 28th of July. C. The 27th of July. Answer. B. The 28th of July. Explanation. World Nature Conservation Day is observed every year on the 28th of July to raise awareness about conserving natural resources, biodiversity, and sustainable development. Extra points. Theme 2025, Connecting People and Plants, Exploring Digital Innovation in Wildlife Conservation. July 2025 Important Days Recap. The 1st of July, Doctors' Day, Chartered Accountants' Day, GST Day. The 2nd of July, World Sports Journalist Day. The 3rd of July, International Plastic Bag Free Day. The 4th of July, USA Independence Day. The 5th of July, International Cooperative Day, first Saturday of July. The 6th of July, World Zoonoses Day. The 7th of July, World Kiswahili Language Day. The 10th of July, Global Energy Independence Day. The 11th of July, World Population Day. The 12th of July, Paper Bag Day, Malala Day. The 15th of July, World Youth Skills Day. The 16th of July, AI Appreciation Day, World Snake Day. The 17th of July, International Justice Day. The 18th of July, Nelson Mandela Day, Tamil Nadu Day. The 20th of July, World Chess Day, International Moon Day. The 22nd of July, National Flag Day, World Brain Health Day, Pi Approximation Day. The 23rd of July, National Broadcasting Day. The 24th of July, Income Tax Day. The 25th of July, International Judicial Welfare Day. The 26th of July, Kargil Vijay Divas, World Mangrove Day. The 28th of July, World Nature Conservation Day. 2. When is International Tiger Day celebrated? A. The 28th of July. B. The 29th of July. C. The 30th of July. Answer. B. The 29th of July. Explanation. International Tiger Day is observed annually on the 29th of July to raise global awareness about tiger conservation. Extra points. India, 3,682 tigers, 50% of world total. Top states, MP, 785, Karnataka, 563, Uttarakhand, 560. Tiger Census, 2022. 3. Who recently organized the first Armed Forces National Conference, SHAPE 2025? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. New Delhi. Answer. C. New Delhi. Explanation. The event was conducted by Army Hospital Research and Referral, AHRR, New Delhi. Extra points. SHAPE equals Sustainable Hospital Architecture, Planning, Equipment and Development. 4. Who was recently declared the world's most beautiful airport for 2025? A. Changi Airport. B. Yantai Penglai International Airport. C. Istanbul Airport. Answer. B. Yantai Penglai International Airport. Explanation. Terminal 2 of this Chinese airport won the BRICS Versailles Award 2025. Extra points. Recognized for eco-friendly architecture and luxurious passenger experience. 5. Who recently won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025? A. Lei Tingji. B. Koneru Hampi. C. Divya Deshmukh. Answer. C. Divya Deshmukh. Explanation. She won the title by defeating Koneru Hampi in a tie-break match. Extra points. Became India's 4th female grandmaster. Venue, Batumi, Georgia. Age, 19 years. 6. How many MPs were recently honored with the Sansad Ratna Award? A. 15. B. 17. C. 12. Answer. B. 17. Explanation. These MPs were awarded for exceptional performance in Parliament. Extra points. Jury awardees include Ravi Kishan, Sharad Shule, Nishikant Dubey, Arvind Sawant. 7. Who recently launched the Veer Parivar Sahayata Yojana? A. NALSA. B. DRDO. C. Niti Aayog. Answer. A. NALSA. Explanation. Launched by National Legal Services Authority for free legal aid to armed forces families. Extra points. Beneficiaries include soldiers, ex-servicemen, and paramilitary forces. 8. Who recently won the Women's Euro Cup 2025 title? A. Spain. B. Germany. C. England. Answer. C. England. Explanation. England beat Spain 3-1 in penalties to retain the Euro Cup. Extra points. Avenged their 2023 FIFA World Cup loss, Spain missed a third consecutive win. 9. Who was recently nominated as a director on the Central Board of RBI? A. Anuradha Thakur. B. Raghavendra Srinivas. C. Uma Kanjilal. Answer. A. Anuradha Thakur. Explanation. Appointed by Government of India to the RBI Central Board. Extra points. Currently Secretary, Dept. of Economic Affairs, replaced Ajay Seth. 10. Where did the Indian Army recently organize exercise Drone Prahar? A. Manipur. B. Mizoram. C. Nagaland. Answer. C. Nagaland. Explanation. Conducted in Kohama, Nagaland to strengthen drone warfare capabilities. Extra points, aimed at preparing for modern and asymmetric warfare. 11. Who recently won the 2025 Belgian Grand Prix? A. Lando Norris. B. Charles Leclerc. C. Oscar Piastri. Answer. C. Oscar Piastri. Explanation. McLaren Mercedes driver Oscar Piastri won the race. Extra points, wet-dry track race, extended his lead by 16 points. 12. Recently, Tom Lehrer passed away. Who was he? A. Writer. B. Singer. C. Journalist. Answer. B. Singer. Explanation. He was a renowned singer-songwriter and mathematician. Extra points, famous for his witty, satirical songs, died at age 97. 13. When was the 87th Raising Day of the CRPF celebrated recently? A. The 26th of July. B. The 28th of July. C. The 27th of July. Answer. C. The 27th of July. Explanation. CRPF celebrated its Foundation Day on the 27th of July 2025. Extra points, established in 1939, motto, service and loyalty. 14. Who was recently appointed as the new CEO of Sansad TV? A. Ajay Kumar. B. Nirmal Daminder. C. Utpal Kumar Singh. Answer. C. Utpal Kumar Singh. Explanation. Lok Sabha Secretary General given additional charge of Sansad TV. Extra points, ex-IAS officer, led Kedarnath reconstruction. 15. Recently, a fisheries agreement was signed between India and which country to promote the tuna industry and aquaculture? A. Singapore. B. Maldives. C. Sri Lanka. Answer. B. Maldives. Explanation. Signed to strengthen tuna exports and aquaculture cooperation. Extra points. Capital. Male. Currency. Maldivian rupiah. President. Mohammad Muizzu. 4,850 crore rupees Indian loan approved. UPI services launched. 15-hour world record press conference held. Indian Navy repatriated MNDF Harevi. New damn selfish species discovered. Last video's quiz answer. Question. Who was recently appointed as the new Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi National Open University? A. Rajshri Joshi. B. Geetanjali Shri. C. Professor Uma Kanjilal. Answer. C. Professor Uma Kanjilal. Quick revision. Prof. Asim Kumar Ghosh was declared the new governor of Haryana. The Punjab government launched Operation Jeevan Jyoti. Iga Swiatek won the Wimbledon 2025 women's singles title. Tamil Nadu won the Hockey India Masters Cup 2025. Gujarat became the top state in processed potato production in India. India became the world's fourth largest biofuel consumer. Geetanjali Shri won the Pen Translation Prize. Janvi Danchti, an Indian, became the first to complete NASA's aerospace program. The voting age in Britain was reduced to 16 years. In the Henley Passport Index 2025, Singapore ranked first, while India was at the 77th position. Bihar became the first state to reduce the number of booth voters to less than 1,200. India and Maldives completed 60 years of diplomatic relations. The Indian government approved a trade agreement with the UK. France announced the recognition of Palestine as an independent state. Kizadi in Tamil Nadu was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sonali Mishra became the first woman Director General of RPF. Himachal Pradesh became the first state to start face scan-based ration distribution. India will host the FIDE Chess World Cup 2025. Asia's largest jungle safari will be built in Haryana. The Indian government approved a trade agreement with the UK. Question of the day. Recently, Navy Day of which country was celebrated on July 27th? A. Russia, B. Sri Lanka, C. Bangladesh. If you found these questions useful, then like, share, and comment your score below. Download your PDF notes from the Telegram channel, link in description. And don't forget to answer the question of the day in the comments. Let's see who gives the correct one first. Subscribe and press the bell icon because tomorrow's top 15 will arrive right on time only on SSC GK Booster channel presented by Titans Concepts channel. Thank you my champion.